This is how we name this too. Use an RS configuration and put it down here. All right. So start on the left side. So this, that chiral center. So oxygen number 1. I'm going to go quick here. So ethyl number 2, methyl number 3, and hydrogen at the back 4 already. Okay. So this is an R. So we're going to put R. We have a parenthesis in for an R. -2 -build no. No space here. Okay. And by the way, the B right here is supposed to be lowercase, not a capital. All right. Same thing with B here. Anyway, so this is an R. The other one gonna be an S. Okay. No space. All right. All right. Now, if there are 2 chiral center, this is how we do it. Okay. Let's say if you can name it on your own first, and check it with me. Check with my answer. I'm trying to make things easy. So if I look at this molecule and see like the wedge and that, it kind of messed my head up a little. So I want to make things simple. Just start with a 2D structure. Let's say they don't have any configuration. They don't have chiral center. Just pretend. Okay. So by this guy by itself, let's say what we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 5 parent chain, right? So we're gonna call it a pentane. 2 chloro, 3 methyl pentane. All right, and then I'm going to add the configuration on here. Okay, go back to the original structure right here. All right, start with that chiral center of chlorine number 1. The whole group here is number 2, and this guy methyl number 3. Okay, hydrogen is at the back already, so we go. So we go 1, 2, and 3. This is R. All right, go to the other chiral center. So we got number 1 right here, bonded to chlorine for sure. They're all carbon, by the way. So. But this carbon is bonded to chlorine, so number 1, ethyl number 2, methyl number 3, hydrogen is at the front, so watch out. So 1, 2, and 3, that's an R. You gotta flip it to S. Okay. All right. So now what we got? So we have to add R and S into the name here. Okay, they're both gonna be in parentheses, and you have to tell the position to indicate the position where it is R, where it is S. Okay, let's say, so we got position 2 is R, position 3 is S, so we're gonna go 2R and then comma 3S, 2 chloro, 2 methyl pentane, right? It just said that at carbon 2 is an R configuration and carbon 3 is in an S configuration. Okay. All right, one more time. Let's try to on your own first. Don't just like wait for me. All right, I want you to practice this. And once you're done, let's check with me what we got here. So this is too confusing. I'll make it just a normal 2D structure. Okay, and we're gonna go. This is cyclohexane. I'm gonna have to put the number on it. So we have this is an alcohol. So you have to end the name with all. Right? It's alkane. Everything's alkane, and then the E at the end of alkane. Remove the E, add OL. That's an all. That's an alcohol. Anyway, this is a cyclohexanol. Okay, this is a cyclohexane, and you have the hydroxyl group, right? So we call cyclohexane. No E right. We remove E right here and add OL. Okay, we're gonna number it real quick. So we have carbon 1, 2, and 3. All right, so we have to number it, and alcohol get priority, so you have to start with an alcohol. This is an alcohol. Okay. Oh, by the way, so cyclohexane 1-ol. So if you remember anything 1 right here, just indicate that the hydroxyl group is at position 1. OS group is at position 1, but we can omit it. Okay, but you can add it. Doesn't matter. I mean, it's fine. It's correct as well. All right, what we got here? 1, 2, and 3. So methyl group at position 3. So we're gonna go 3-methyl cyclohexanol. All right. All right. The next part gonna be add R and S. This at position 1 and 3. Okay. And this guy start with prioritize or the substituent or oxygen number 1. On the right, number 2 for sure. If you're not sure, you can do this with me. So this guy bond to carbon, hydrogen. On the left side, bond to carbon, hydrogen. They're tied. All right. Go to the next atom along the chain. Go to this guy right here. So we get carbon. All right. Oh, my bad. So carbon, and hydrogen on it. Right. And this carbon right here, carbon, hydrogen. All right. So this guy number 2, this guy number 3. And hydrogen atom is at the back already, so we're good. 1, 2, and 3. This is an R. All right. All right. Next one. at position carbon number 3. All right, let's say what we got. They are a carbon, right? So we have to look at what they bond to: carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen. This guy here, all 3 hydrogen. Just lose right there. This carbon here, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen. All right. Now, these 2 are tied. You have to go to the next atom along the chain. So we have to go to that carbon. This carbon bond to oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, wins totally. This carbon right here bond to carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, lose. All right. So we got 2, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Watch out. Hydrogen is right now pointing in front of you. So you have to flip it or look from behind, look from the back. All right. Either way works. So I'm going to flip it. 1, 2, and 3. Does it look like S? Flip it to R. So what we got R at, oh crap, hold on. Oh my God. What happened? Here we go. All right. We got R at position 1 and R at position 3. So we're going to go 1R, comma, 3R, 3-methyl cyclohexanol. Okay. All right, so the whole how to do this. So for me, I just look at molecules a little bit easier as 2D first. Remove all the wedge and dash line. Read the name like normal, and then add R and or S later. Okay, I mean for me it's easier for me this way. For you, it's up to you. You can do whatever you want. All right. Okay. All right. We're gonna have a class activity 2, question 1, 2, and 3 with the answers. All right. Okay. Let's talk about this real quick. So a new segment from my podcast, I mean the same segment, so take from UX, another text. Okay, let's talk about this conversation, what we got here. All right, the first person said, and what would do? What? And what would do? And it said, error code 34728, this phone number is no longer in service. Question mark. I said this phone number is no longer in service. Oh my God, you ruined it right there. Okay, let's go to the next video.